everyone, welcome back to my channel Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys all this little do-it-yourself aloe vera mask for your hair, and it's also good if you have scalp psoriasis. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. This stuff is super amazing, it's super cheap, and it works really good on your scalp. And then I also have some aloe vera cut up. I actually bought the leaf and then I just slice it, and then you have these parts. Going ahead, I'm going to get started. Go ahead and shampoo my hair with the shampoo. So you guys see that was my start. My scalp was very flaky, just so you guys can get an idea of how it was looking. And this is my hair after I went ahead and washed it, and I just shampoo my hair one time, and that shampoo is sulfate free. Now I'm going ahead with my Goody Brand scrunchie, and I'm going to just separate my hair just so my hair is easier to work with. Aloe vera is super good for your scalp. It can help clear it up, it helps with inflammation, and it's just good overall for people that have scalp psoriasis. It also helps to moisturize, and it's also good if you just have dry scalp, and it's also good for people who have naturally curly hair. So I'm going ahead and applying it, and as you guys can see, this is my very first time ever doing this, and I love the way it felt in my hair. It was super duper moisturizing. Like, it penetrates right away and it feels really good in your hair. And also aloe vera has a nice cooling sensation to it, so for people with dry scalp and scalp psoriasis, this is going to feel really good on your scalp. So I'm going ahead and just massaging it in, and then I had also cut like a smaller leaf just to be able to work into my scalp a little easier. And if you go ahead and puncture it with your nails, more of the little gel will come out. So that's basically all I did, and then massage it into my scalp. And I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair. So it's a pretty simple process. It has enough slip to detangle, and I'm going ahead and separating off that section. So overall, I was just like, this aloe vera is bomb. So I'm taking it, applying it. It applies very easily to your scalp. Some people cut the plant and then they'll scoop out the gel and like blend it and stuff. I didn't have time for all that. I wasn't trying to do all that, so I'm just doing it this way, and it works the same to me. So applying it all around my hairline, because that's where my psoriasis breaks out the most. Just doing it in circular motions, and then as you guys can see, I'm pulling up that leaf again, and I'm just puncturing it so more of the little gel can come out, and massaging it into my scalp, and then I'm massaging it into my hair. And I kind of do like the prayer hands method so it can smooth onto my hair more easily. And just, you know, sectioning it, rubbing it into my scalp makes it very easy. And then once I'm done, oh yeah, also get it on your ends, very moisturizing for it. And I apply a little bit more all over my head. And I did detangle my whole entire hair with my wide tooth comb. I just didn't show all of that, but you guys can see I detangled it, and it makes your curls popping and very shiny. So I love this mask for my hair. It's amazing. Like, look how juicy my curls were looking, y'all. Like, ooh, the shine, the juiciness. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to put my hair into a little bun, and I'm going to let the aloe mask sit on for about an hour. So shower cap, and then I put the little turby twist just so it can lock in. This is my hair when it was all done. No more flaking. My scalp was super moisturized, and my hair was just so bomb and moisturized and shiny. It was amazing. So I hope you guys all like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye. Girl,